We believe Middleton Mixology SmokeTop is the best and easiest way to smoke your cocktails. But even though it is very simple to use, there's a few things you need to know if you want to make the most out of it. First, less is more. Just a few wood chips will actually yield better and more smoke. Also, light up your torch away from the smoke top to avoid butane taste. Then aim your flame straight down the chimney and smoke for 2 to 3 seconds to prevent from overburning the device. Now, there's a few different ways to smoke your cocktails to get different results. First, if you want stronger smoke taste, smoke your ice before pouring the drink. In opposite, if you want a stronger aroma, smoke your cocktail after pouring it. Then, if you're making multiple cocktails, the smoke top is also designed to fit on top of your mixing glass or your shaker. You can also use the little bevel underneath the smoke top to smoke your garnish at the same time. And believe me, a smoked cherry in a Manhattan is amazing. Lastly, over time the screen may clog. So to replace it with the tip of your bar spoon or a pen, simply poke it out. Then with your finger, simply place the new one down the chimney. And that's it, as simple as that. This is how we use Middleton Mixology SmokeTop to the fullest. Cheers!